Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Three men were going somewhere when they were caught in a rainstorm. They entered a cave and a huge stone blocked their way. They asked each other to supplicate Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, recalling the good deeds they had done. One of them said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, my parents were extremely old and I used to graze the animals. On return, I would milk them and go to the parents carrying the milk. When they would drink it, I would then offer it to my family to drink. One night, I was late and by the time I came back home, both had fallen asleep. I did not feel like wakening them up while my children were wailing by my feet. I and my parents remained in the same condition till the break of dawn. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if according to you, I did so only to please you, remove the stone to such an extent as we can see the sky." So it was removed. The second person said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you know well that I loved my cousin as much as any man loves a woman. She said, your wish cannot be granted until you give 100 dinars, unit of currency. I struggled a lot and collected the amount, and when I sat between her two legs, she said, Fear Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and do not open the seal without having a right. I stood up and left her. If you count it as an action which I did only to please you, remove it from the front. So it was removed by 2/3. The third said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you know well that I hired a wage earner in exchange for 1 faraq, 12 kilograms of durra. When I tried to pay it to him, he refused to accept it. I sowed those 12 kilograms of durra till I bought cows and a shepherd from it. Then that man came and said, O Allah's bondsman, give me my right. I said, move towards these cows and their shepherd. All these are yours. He said, are you kidding me? I said, I am not kidding you, but that all is yours. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if according to you I did it only for your pleasure, open it, its entrance for us, then that stone slide aside. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2215.